Deborah who? What is happening today?
Today we are happy because
Now what prayer do you have for him?
I have prayer for him that Almighty God bless him and
Thank you very much.
A rerun election into Akoko Edo 1 constituency to elect a representative into Edo State House of Assembly. The rerun election was perhaps the most celebrated in the history of Edo State. It was like a struggle between freedom and fear. At the end of the struggle, freedom defeated fear. In the course of our campaign across Akoko Edo 1, I remember, we promised that there will be a paradigm shift if elected. We promised the people quality representation, hope, freedom, and liberation from the hands of Godfathers who only know the roads to the banks, but don't know the road to development. We promise to share projects instead of the old ways of sharing money. Instead of the old ways of sharing money. Your Excellency, today I am humbled to say that we have lived up to our promises. The so much talked about one man, one vote started from Akoko Edo rerun. As a product of that divine victory, I key into the Comrade Governor ideology of education for all. As part of my constituency project, we suggested to the state government the need to reconstruct and renovate schools across Akoko Edo. The first phase of these projects are the construction of 3 classrooms and a headmaster office in Ogugu Primary School, Ogugu. The renovation of 4 classrooms in Ojah Primary School, Ibillo, and the reconstruction of 6 classrooms and a library and the principal's office in Ikakumo Secondary School, Ikakumo. We achieved this, Your Excellency, just within 1 year. Just within 1 year. Comrade Governor, sir, I stand on my 2 feet, humbled and very tall, to present to you this project for commissioning.
Well, let me congratulate the good people of Ibillo and indeed Akoko Edo on this achievement. I congratulate you because I have just been reminded that this is where the votes were counted on the basis of one man, one vote, and all the votes counted, and Ojah Adjoto was declared the winner because he won. Now, as you can see, that victory was not about Adjoto. It was about the people. And these 4 classrooms under 1 year is the best evidence that Adjoto stands for his people. If since 1999, the people of this constituency have had 4 classrooms every 12 months or every 1 year for the past 11 years of PDP misrule. You should have at least 4 classrooms times 11. That should have given you 44 new classrooms by one honorable member alone. You will agree that this was never the case. And so when we tell you to defend the votes, we ask you to defend your progress and to defend your lives and to make sure that never again are those forces of darkness be allowed to take over the governance of our state. I want to congratulate Adjoto for recognizing that people made sacrifices to bring him in as a member of the House of Assembly. And in the course of 1 year, he has done so much. And I do not want you to measure his achievement by these classrooms and the other ones in the other locations that I'm going to commission after this one. Even more important than this is the fact that Adjoto, together with his colleague, have assured that the money which was blocked by PDP legislators for Zubair to rebuild schools, that money has now been made available, as Zubair is now working.
You don't do here. No, you don't know the concept. Meet and there, meet and there.
Today, the 5th day of November 2011, we formally commissioned this block of classrooms. May this school help to enhance knowledge. May the students who will be taught here grow up to become leaders, not only of our state, but of our country. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.